Hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to Dawnae's kitchen. Today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make this nice delicious fricassee chicken. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos guys. Stick around for the video. So guys, this is a chicken I'm using today. I'm using some chicken drumstick. I got this from Sam's Club and I'm about to put this in a bowl, and then I'm gonna start putting my vinegar and my lime to wash my meat. These look kind of big though, but anyway, I'm just gonna use what I have, and I'm gonna remove all the skin. When I'm making fricassee chicken, I prefer to remove all the skin off the chicken drumstick. Guess what? Realize no lime, so thank God I have lime juice, so I'm just going to use the lime juice along with the vinegar and some hot water. So guys, this is the process that I have to do each time I'm making fricassee chicken. So I'm just going to show you how I remove the skin, and then if there's any fat, I take off the fat as well. I like my chicken to look clean when I'm done washing it off. So this is what I do. Knife kind of dull, but was lazy to sharpen the knife. Was giving me a problem, but nevertheless I make it work. Guess what? Chicken done clean and everything. Time for season now, and these are all the season and vegetable I will be using today. So before I put the seasoning on the chicken, I'm just gonna take a napkin, make sure the chicken is dried properly, because I know you have a lot of water on it, so I make sure say dry off before I add the seasoning to it. So all the seasoning that I'm going to use today, except for the browning, I'm going to add on the pimento. I'm using a teaspoon, so this is little olive oil I add, and then I'm going to add the remainder of the seasoning them. And I will I'll put all the seasoning I use in the description box. So guys, in the meantime, the chicken is being marinated. I put it in the fridge. I'm just going to leave that for about an hour. So I'm just going to prepare the vegetables, so when I start doing the cooking, I don't have to stop to do that. So these are everything that I'm cutting up for the pot. So guys, chicken marinate and ready to cook. So take out the frying pan, add 2 teaspoons of canola oil, and I'm gonna let this hot a little bit before adding the chicken. So I'm just gonna let them brown for like 5 minutes on each side. As you can see, the chicken, they was still wet, the oil are prop up, but guess what, it have to work. So this is what I'm doing. I'm adding the chicken to the hot oil, and then now let it brown on each side for about 5 minutes, and then take them out back and then go to the other process again. So chicken done brown. So now it's time to move on to the next process. So I take some of the same oil that I used to fry the chicken, and I'm going to put the vegetables to stir fry a little bit. Then I'm going to add some hot water. That's going to make the gravy. And then add some browning, some fish and meat sauce. I'm adding like a teaspoon and a half of browning. It all depends on how much water or how much gravy is gonna be made. So I'm just gonna add that, or you can add a teaspoon and see how dark it is. If you want it darker, then you can add more. Next, I'm gonna, as I said, I'm gonna add the water, the browning, the fish and meat sauce. I'm gonna add some more all-purpose seasoning, some more chicken seasoning, and the pimento seeds. And then I'm gonna add the chickens, add the remainder of the vegetables like the carrots and bell peppers, and then let that cook for about like 20 something minutes, because chicken don't take long to cook unless you want it to everything to separate in the pot, but chicken does not take long to cook. So now it's time to add the chicken, and this is what I told you guys earlier I'm going to do. I'm just going to add everything in the pot, let that cook, then dinner will be ready. Guys, look here, chicken done and ready. You see how it pretty in a pot? It tastes good, just the same as how it look. So this is what I do. I like enough gravy because I cook some produce, some yam, banana, dumpling, dasheen. So I like when I'm eating fricassee chicken, I like to have enough gravy, especially with the food. So this is what it look like without the food. Nice and pretty. So I'm just gonna dish out my dinner, and this is what I am having today. I have corn, slice of dasheen, cornmeal dumpling, slice of yellow yam with some pop choy and some carrot mix up steam down and the chicken. So this is my dinner, guys, and I'm going to just drink some orange juice with this and I'm good to go. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all subscribe to my channel and don't forget